And good morning, and welcome to the VSA Capital 5-Minute Morning Miner. It's Monday, the 21st of November, and the World Cup has started. We had Qatar, Ecuador yesterday. Ecuador won 2-0, and of course today at 1 o'clock we have the big England versus Iran match. Paul, will you be sitting in the office watching that today?
No, I will be in the office. Whether I'll be sitting there watching that or trying to get prepared for 1-1 coming up tomorrow, that's the big thing. So
that's true. We've got 1-1 mining this week, and we've got Mines and Money next week. So lots of mining companies in town. We are marketing American Lithium this week. Next week we're marketing Guanajuato Silver. This Thursday, we have a little drinks and nibbles in our office where we've got Alchemy Capital, American Lithium, and Sierra Madre presenting. It's all go. So talking of all go, let's have a little look at what we've got out in news flow today. Actually, go on, you kick off with what you feel like kicking off with, Paul.
Yeah, first off here with the AIM quoted Horizont Minerals, the Brazil laterite nickel developer, they have been awarded power contracts for the Araguaia mine project there. It is a binding power purchase agreements covering the first 10 years of production from this mine to produce ferronickel. Fixed price at $28.40 per megawatt hour and $29.60 per megawatt hour for the years, or first 5 years and second 5 years respectively. And the power will be coming from renewable sources, so that was in line with the Horizont's corporate target of being one of the lowest CO2 nickel producers globally.
Yeah, okay. And the other one actually on AIM, which has some news today, was do you see the Emerson? They just signed non-binding MOUs for offtakes in their potash and salt.
Yes, that's right. That was two different non-binding MOUs for both the potash and salt by Emerson. One with Keytrade AG and the other was Hexagon Group AG. The first being about 250,000 tons per year of muriate of potash for 10 years, and the second deal is about for 500,000 tons a year. For a period of 10 years of salt and about 250,000 tons a year of MOP.
Yes, okay. And then let's move over to Lick Resources, which is on the ASX, but it's a stock that we used to have for some time ago and have always been big fans of. Now, they've been having a few disputes, haven't they, with their with Lilac Solutions, but I think they've sorted it out now at last.
Yes, essentially they arbitrated the deal between the two different managements of these organizations. Lake being the mine developer of the Kachi project, and Lilac Solutions being the extraction technology provider and a private company that's been in joint work with Lake for a number of years now. They have finally come to a resolution essentially to operate Kachi as a joint operating team under one set of management is the apparent thing here. We can say, too, that the pilot plant operating is about 70% through its trial phase here at 90% steady state production rates. And the lithium chloride that it is producing from this direct extraction process is well within specifications for commercial sales. So they will have Hatch Limited provide a third-party verification statement, or they will provide a statement as to the verification that the process works in coming weeks here.
All right, and then finally, probably you should mention Endeavour Mining, because they've just had a pretty good discovery, haven't they?
Yeah, they sure have. This Endeavour Mining here, the West African gold producer. Major discovery announcement out here with the compliant resource put on their Tanda Iguela property in western Cote d'Ivoire, which they own 100% of. It's about 400 kilometers northeast of Abidjan and about 30 kilometers west of the border with Ghana. Indicated resource 15 million tons at 2.3 grams gold, and a further 33 million tons inferred at 1.8 grams. And combined, that's nearly 3 million ounces of resource. So that's a really big deposit to start off with from the get-go, at pretty good grades too for open pit mining. They say they've only tested about 20% of the prospective structural corridor they're on. So they think they'll do at least 50,000 meters of drilling in this area next year.
Very good. And then finally, I suppose, just in case you have any Welsh listeners, I better mention that Wales is playing football today as well. And of course, we do know we have some North American, US listeners, and they are playing Wales tonight. So I guess I'm a neutral being English, but you're American, Paul.
Yes,
so
that's
you
right.
must be hoping that the USA beats Wales.
Well, again, we're not in the knockout stages yet, so either side can take a loss and still pass through, but we'll see how it plays out.
That is very pragmatic. On that note, we're definitely going to call it a day, and we'll speak again tomorrow.
Very good. Thanks.